Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica. Today we're going to be unboxing the July Sew Sampler box. So if you're new to Sew Sampler boxes, you can get them from Fat Quarter Shop. They retail for $29.95 and they have a ton of fun goodies inside. They have fabric, quilting, and notions. And I will make sure to put a link on where you can get this month's box down below this video. You can also visit fatquartershop.com and find all that information there as well. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this month's box. So the theme for this month is Summer Soiree, and there are 2 coupons on the back, 20% off June Taylor products and then 15% off Summer Memories book by Susan Aki. So that's really nice. Always make sure to check the back of your inserts. I also have my little insert. It tells me everything in this month's box as well as how to use it, any information about the product and the retail value. And let's just dive right in. So our first thing is our pressed flowers sew along. So every month Fat Quarter Shop is sending out a pattern in their boxes, and at the end of the 12 months of getting their boxes, you will be putting them together in a fun layout. So you'll have sort of a scrappy sampler quilt. However, this one is all flower themed, and this one is using the Sugarberry collection by Bunny Hill Designs for Moda Fabrics, and these patterns are really nice. They're a little kind of cardstocky type booklet. I do save all of these up, and then at the end of all the boxes, I usually bundle them up and give them away to one of you. So I am going to be hanging on to this. So the next thing in our box is this cute little Magna Fingers is what it's called, and it is a pin picker upper. So if you ever spill your pins all on your floor, you can pick them up easily with this little magnet. And this retails for $11.98, and it's mint Magna Fingers pick up and release. And it says make scattered pins and needles a thing of the past with the new and improved Magna Fingers pick up release. Gather stray pins with a simple sweep and then drop them by squeezing the clip created by teen inventor Owen Cohen. We give this notion an unpicked 2 thumbs up. And here's what it looks like, and it's got a magnet on the back, so you would pick the pins up with this side and press the little clip here. It releases the magnet, and so the pins just fall right off into your pin dish or wherever you would like to place them. So this is super clever. I love this idea, and I also think it's really cool that it was invented by a teen inventor. That is awesome. So congratulations on a super cool invention. The next thing we have in our box is this cute stripy zipper pouch kit by June Taylor. This retails for just $8.98, and it says the strippy zipper pouch kit is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Literally, this pouch kit includes sew on the line printed stabilizer and 1 white zippy done zipper. This is a great beginner friendly bag project that makes a cute and useful accessory. Try it with the berry basket jelly bar included in this month's box, or just pull scraps from your stash. And so here is obviously what the finished bag looks like. Very cute. It's just a little boxy bag, and then it does have the zipper included. And then here's sort of what the stabilizer looks like. It's got sew lines on it, so you can just add your strips right on there, and then it tells you where to cut and everything. And then of course there's instructions on how to put the little pouch together in this bag as well. So it's really cute, a fun, small project. And I think it's kind of cool that they added just a whole project in this month's box. They don't usually do that. They've got patterns and fabric and they kind of go together, but this is like a full project right here in one little bag. So this is really cute. The pattern for this month is called Fruit Punch Quilt Pattern by Susan Aki. It values at $9.98, and it says the Fruit Punch Quilt by Susan Aki is sweet and refreshing take on a classic tumbler quilt. The tumbler rows cleverly match up to make unique hexagon blocks, and you can easily add more rows to make your perfect size. Try punching up this design with the berry basket jelly bar included in this month's box, and they do have limited finishing kits available at Fat Quarter Shop, so you might want to go ahead and check that out if you want like the backing and binding and all of that stuff. So really cute. It looks like it finishes at 36.5 by 36.5, so it's just a cute little like wall hanging or something you could put on your table. And then like they said, you can really easily adjust the size of this just by adding more rows. Now something that's going to help you out with that is the Tumbler quilt template, also included in this box. It values at $12.24, and it says you'll be tumbling head over heels for all of the cute quilts that you can be made, or that can be made with this Flag Day Tumbler template designed by Susan Aki. This nifty template is a charm-friendly tool and includes clipped corners for easy matching and sewing. Fabulous for scraps as well, and this charming quilt design will always be a favorite. And then here is what the template looks like on the back. It's just an acrylic template. We can take one out. I think they had one of these in the Liberty box this year. So it's just an acrylic template, probably kind of hard to see, but these are really nice. It makes it really easy when you're cutting out your pieces, especially these kind of odd shaped pieces. It's really nice to have an acrylic template to cut along. So I just use my rotary blade with this. So anyways, that is included as well. And then finally we have this month's fabric. This is a Jolly Bar. It's called Berry Basket and it's by April Rosenthal for Moda Fabrics. These Jolly Bars retail for $22.48 and it says it's inspired by summer mornings spent picking fresh berries in the garden. The Berry Basket collection is also ripe for the picking. This sweet line by April Rosenthal for Moda Fabrics is packed with bright berries, reds, and blues, rounded out with classic prints in white, gray, pink, and aqua. This pre-cut comes with free patterns so you can dive right into creating new summer projects. And if you've ever purchased a Jolly Bar from Fat Quarter Shop, they are basically a half of a layer cake. So Jolly Bars are 5 inches by 10 inches, so literally just a half. I think they rolled it special so it would fit in the box, but usually they're kind of laid out flat like a layer cake is, and they all come with a free pattern. So this one came with the Berry Basket. This is the Berry Basket Jolly Bar, and it's the Berry-licious quilt, and it's this really cute star. A lot of little pieces. This one looks like it finishes at, what does it say? 64.5 by 64.5. So it's a good size. It would be beautiful wall decor. And all those little pieces, I mean, it's kind of a lot. It's not hard, but it does have a lot of pieces. You're doing a lot of little half square triangles on this one. So super cute and perfect for this Jolly Bar. But like I said, each Jolly Bar comes with its own pattern, and Fat Quarter Shop also puts out little Jolly Bar books as well. So there's a lot of fun things you can do with these unusually sized pre-cuts. So that's everything that came in this month's box. I did add it up for you. The total value for this month's box is $7.64. That's a great value. The box is $70.60. Is that right? Let me re-add that up. Yeah, that's right, $70.64. So the boxes, like I said, are $29.95, so that is a great value for your money this month. I would say they usually vary between $50 and $60. That's why I wanted to double check my math there. So you got a great box this month. If you're interested in getting the Sew Sampler box, I'll put the information below. You can also visit Sew Sampler or fatquartershop.com and then search for Sew Sampler when you get there. So that's going to be it for today's unboxing. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite product was. I'm having a hard time choosing. I like all of them. I love this fabric by April Rosenthal. It's really, really pretty. I love having templates also, and I think this little zippy bag pouch pattern is going to be a lot of fun. And then this is super cool. I actually love seeing new tools like this, and I also love that it was created by a teenager. So I'm pretty happy with everything that came in this month's box, but let me know in the comments below what your favorite was. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. You can also hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you next time.